Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most buzzworthy topics in the tech world, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Recent leaks have ignited excitement among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike, hinting at groundbreaking features and a reimagined design that could set a new standard in aerial technology. One of the most striking aspects of the Mavic 4 Pro is its fresh design. Leaked images reveal a circular body frame that departs from the boxy shapes of its predecessors, showcasing a sleek and modern aesthetic. This redesign isn't just about looks. It could enhance aerodynamics and portability, making it easier for pilots to carry and deploy the drone in various environments. The gimbal housing has also been revamped, which suggests an emphasis on improved stabilization and maneuverability. However, what raises eyebrows is the apparent absence of forward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors. This change leads to speculation about whether DJI is relocating these sensors or finding innovative alternatives to enhance flight safety. Some insiders suggest that advanced AI-driven software may play a pivotal role in compensating for the lack of physical sensors, pushing the boundaries of drone technology even further. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to come equipped with enhanced autonomous flight capabilities, including improved obstacle avoidance systems powered by six 180-degree fisheye sensors. This setup will allow the drone to create a comprehensive 360-degree awareness of its surroundings, making it easier to navigate through complex environments. The Mavic 4 Pro is set to redefine aerial photography with its rumored 90-degree gimbal tilt capability. This feature promises to open up a realm of creative possibilities for drone pilots. Imagine capturing stunning vertical shots of skyscrapers or unique angles of nature that were previously unattainable with traditional drone gimbals. With this new gimbal design, users can explore creative aerial photography and videography in ways that were once limited. The ability to tilt the camera allows for dynamic shots that can elevate storytelling in film and photography. At the heart of the Mavic 4 Pro is its advanced camera system, which is expected to include a triple camera sensor configuration leveraging Sony's cutting-edge LSI technology and dual native ISO capabilities. This combination is likely to enhance image quality dramatically, making it easier for users to capture vibrant colors and stunning details in various lighting conditions. The potential for 4K video recording at 60 frames per second is another exciting aspect of the Mavic 4 Pro. As the demand for higher resolution content continues to grow, the Mavic 4 Pro's potential ability to record in 6K adds to its appeal as a top-tier aerial filmmaking tool. With 6K recording, content creators can future-proof their work, ensuring that their footage remains relevant in an ever-evolving digital landscape. The increased resolution allows for more extensive post-production capabilities, including cropping and stabilization, without sacrificing quality. DJI's reputation for integrating cutting-edge AI technology into their drones is well-earned, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. Alongside its physical advancements, this drone is anticipated to offer a host of intelligent flight features designed to enhance user experience and creativity. While specific release dates for the Mavic 4 Pro are still under wraps, leaks suggest that DJI might unveil this highly anticipated drone by the end of 2024, possibly in April 2025. As for pricing, estimates range between $2,499 and $2,999, catering to both hobbyists looking to upgrade and professionals seeking top-tier equipment. Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's discuss what this new drone could mean for the future of aerial photography and videography. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.